Crypto can be exciting to invest, especially when you see those double-digit gains. But the downside can be hard to handle. If you want a smoother experience, then crypto trading bots can be the solution, especially grid trading bots, that it's gonna trigger on autopilot buy orders when the price goes down in volume, and as soon as it goes slightly up, it's gonna trigger sell orders, sending the profit to your crypto wallet. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 coins that I'm investing on and how their volatility is earning me an average of 0.24% hands off. That being said, let's get started. So the cryptocurrency that I have been studying for the last couple of months, it's called 0x0. And what is this? Well, it's a cryptocurrency projected focus on using AI to improve the security and privacy of decentralized finance, or DeFi. If we go to our coin market cap, we can also analyze some of the metrics we have right now. Currently, we have a market cap of 95 million, a traded volume of 561,000, and a fully diluted value of 110 million. So we can see that we are up 40,000 from the all-time low and about a 77% down from the all-time high. If you pay attention to the trading time, it has been trading for a little bit over a year now, actually almost 2 years, so it has been going well. But I'm not going to be investing for the reasons that you might think. I'm not necessarily thinking about investing on it with the expectation of the price to do this movement, because if I'm fully honest with you, nobody knows what a cryptocurrency is going to do. But instead, I'm using this coin because of the volatility that it has. Now you might be asking yourself, Emilio, why do you care about volatility? Shouldn't you be scared of volatility? And I will tell you, well, if you do regular investing, then yes, you normally are scared because, well, you can see a position on your favor one day and the next day you can see a total disaster. So I completely understand that. But why are we using volatility in our favor here? It's because we're going to be trading this coin 0x0 with something that I call a grid trading bot. So what is a grid trading bot? It is an algorithm that is going to trigger buy and sell orders. Let me show you something very cool. What you're looking right now is a backtesting from one of the tools that me and my team we developed inside CVA, or private crypto community, where we specialize launching grid bots. And I'm gonna help you break down this. I promise you it's gonna make sense in just a minute. So all of the sell orders you see right here are buy orders, and all of these green lines are sell orders. Now, if we do a quick breakdown on what is happening on this table, we have a couple of different settings. We have a grid step percentage, we have a grid range, we have a total PNL, and we have an average daily profit, as well as a bot profit percentage. So what is the meaning of each of these metrics? So the way that it's gonna work, as you can see here, is that the bot is gonna trigger buy orders when the cryptocurrency goes down in value, just like this. And then as it goes up in value, it's going to trigger sell orders, allowing you to be in a profit regardless of what happens in the market. The funny thing here is that if we pay attention to where I deploy the bot, so I'm backtesting from here, right? So I'm going to put a line so you can, have a better position on it. This is where I started testing it, or backtesting the bot. And this is where it's sitting at right now. So I'm just going to use this tool to understand. It has dropped at 27.33%. So what does this mean? Is that technically if I was holding this cryptocurrency, my portfolio could be down 27%. But if we pay attention to this table that we have, we can see our total PNL is 8%, our bot profit percentage is 25%, and our average daily profit is 0.43. Now, if you're asking yourself, all right, but this is just a backtesting tool, how do I know it's actually accurate? Well, because I'm running myself a bot with that same cryptocurrency and the same settings that I just backtested. So we can see here how from the moment that I deploy the bot here all the way down, this cryptocurrency has dropped as 26%. The average daily profit is actually higher, 0.6%. total PNL is negative 0.40%, but I'm not focused on that, and I'll explain you that in a minute. And the bot profit 5.96% in only 10 days, which is, it's insane. We have a few more bots here for the long term, but this is a bot that I'm accumulating 100% bot profit. So what is the idea behind this? Think about this. In real estate, when you buy a house, you get a loan, sometimes 100,000, 300,000, even a million. To make it simple, let's give it 100,000. You have to pay off that loan, and the tenants that are paying you every single month, the rent, that money is not yours because you have to pay off that loan, right? So you are in debt. Now, it's quite similar here, except that it's not gonna take us 20, 30, 40 years to pay off a house. Instead, it's just gonna take us a few months. So we're making 0.59% a day. That means that it's gonna take us 5 months and a half to complete a 100% bot profit. And what that means is that everything that comes after that 100% bot profit has been achieved is going to be a positive P&L. The tenants are going to be paying me, and I'm gonna be keeping that cash and use it for whatever I want. So those are the reasons why I'm looking into investing about $20,000 into this coin, and that is because of the volatility it has and also the features of this cryptocurrency. 0x0 uses AI to scan and enhance smart contracts that backbone the most DeFi projects. This helps to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them, making the entire ecosystem more secure. You know how the whole crypto space is. We got a bunch of scammers, sadly. So the fact that we have a crypto project focused on the security of the overall crypto space is just wonderful. So I'm a believer in 0x0, which is why I'm also having a bot. But regardless of what happens, even if 0x0 doesn't go up in value but keeps moving sideways, then I know I'm gonna be making a 0.6% a day, which is an insane percentage. Now, the second coin that I'm looking is PropC and CBCN. In PropC right now, I'm making about a 0.25% with the volatility of the market, and with CBCN, I'm making about a 0.08%. This one is a more conservative approach. So who's this for? It's for someone that wants to have a conservative approach. They don't want to be looking at the markets 24/7, but instead they want something that is consistent. And regardless of what happens in the market, just like I show you here, the cryptocurrency dropped a massive 28%, yet you are still in a positive position. Even if we take it further, let's say we want to be more pessimistic and we backtested from all the way here, right? So it drops from the all-time high to the all-time low about a 50%, yet we can see we are in a total PNL of 2%. Our average daily profit drops makes sense because, well, the price is dropping a lot. But I hope you can see how safe it is to launch grid bots, and also how profitable they can be when you're using the right settings. With that being said, guys, I hope this video makes sense and you get value, which is the most important thing. If you want to learn how you can start using grid bots so you can make anywhere between 0.25 to 1% a day from your investment consistently and with a conservative approach, then there is going to be a link in the description. You can apply for CVA and we're going to see if we can help you out in the first place. Just one more thing for the sake of transparency, we can take a look here. My demo account is off, so this means this is my real account. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.